The goal with today's video is to get your Facebook looking exactly like this. Did you know that you can make thousands of dollars just by posting on Facebook? I'm not talking about ads, and I'm not talking about selling products. I'm talking about through actual content monetization, aka getting paid just to post. So most people think that Facebook is for sharing memes and just endlessly strolling, but Facebook is actually a goldmine if you know how to use it. I'm gonna show you exactly how beginners like yourself can start using Facebook to make money. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Viva and I'm a full-time content creator who runs 2 successful online businesses. On this channel, I share everything that you guys need to grow your brand as well as boost your income. The goal is to teach you guys how to create time freedom as well as financial success, which you all deserve. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and take a second to do so, not for me, but really for you. I am here to be your resource to help you guys level up your influence and boost your income. So when I first got invited to this new Facebook content monetization program, I had no idea that you could make so much money from just posting a text post. So prior to this program, I was getting likes and shares and even building a following, but guess what? I was not getting paid for my content. I was literally doing all the hard work and I wasn't seeing any type of returns. This all changed when I started doing my research, talking to other creators, and really learning what exactly Facebook is looking for. So in this time, I realized the exact way to grow is to work smart, not hard. And here's exactly what I did. So first things first, in order to get invited into this program, your profile must meet Facebook's guidelines. You have to make sure you are constantly posting engaging content. These are going to be the people who gets the invites. So you're going to have to create engaging content that's going to get shares, content that's going to get likes, and content that is going to get comments. Facebook knows when your profile is performing well because a lot of the times you will receive a notification like this. Also, when you're posting your content, you have to avoid getting flagged. You have to avoid getting violations on Facebook. Also, I want you guys to keep in mind that if you are using a personal Facebook page, you must make sure that your profile is in professional mode. This is how you're able to get these creator features. So with this new content monetization program, it's going to consist of you getting paid for text post, photo post, reels, as well as stories. So if you guys go ahead and search Facebook content monetization program, you're going to see a bunch of people getting paid thousands of dollars for this program. The thing is, these people are getting paid for posting reels. I have yet to see someone post their results or the income they're making in this program that is posting text besides myself. So everyone's situation is going to be different. This is why I highly encourage you guys to experiment with all of the features. You never know whether it's going to be photos, text, or reels that are going to work for you. So you have to continue to consistently post each different form of content until you figure out what is going to pay you the most money. Because at this point, as a beginner, it's basically the process of elimination. You're going to be posting content to see what is going to work best for you. So as a beginner, once you begin to start posting content in order to get paid to post, it is going to be very unmotivating. Like you're going to be unmotivated because as a beginner, you're not going to have any traction on your page. And I just want to let you guys know, through this time, you have to thug it out. You have to continue posting consistently because your page will never pick up if you stop posting. You will literally never see the results and you would have put in the amount of time that you did for no reason. So just continue to post consistently. If you have to, I definitely recommend you guys scheduling out your posts. So you're not having to stop whatever you're doing just to post. Schedule your post out for as long as a week. Now, if you're someone who cannot naturally come up with good quotes, I do have an app to recommend you guys. I tried that out and it worked pretty well. All I did was copy and paste the quotes and put it onto these platforms because I'm also posting quotes on Threads. So that website is going to be Trend Assist and they do have a 7-day free trial, which I recommend you guys to try. No, this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to recommend you guys this program because I know that it works. Now, the tricky part is when it comes to reels. Do not repost or repurpose someone else's content because Facebook does not play and they will flag you. I have 2 Facebook pages, a personal page and a professional page. My professional page is on Viva La Pink Posh. So if I use my Veronica page to repost Viva La Pink Posh's videos, I get flagged for that, and it's my own content. And when it comes to reels or any type of content, I always tell you guys to utilize Facebook groups. This is going to help your content get shares, because when you go inside these groups and you post your content and that content is relatable or it's entertaining, someone likes it, they're going to take your post and they're going to repost it. And then somebody's going to see that post that they reposted, and it's going to keep getting reposted. And this is the goal. You want to have shares. When it comes to any social media platform, shares is the most important thing. So now I am happily earning money monthly just from Facebook, just from posting. And no, you do not need millions of followers. Only thing you need is a strategy. But that comes with every social media app. Whatever you're doing, you need a strategy. You just can't be out here blindly doing stuff. And that is literally why I created this low-cost PDF that is going to take you guys from a complete beginner to knowing the exact strategy, the exact things you need to do in order to earn a really good income using this program. This PDF is going to break down how to get started, exactly what Facebook is looking for, and tips that are going to help you grow fast and get monetized. You guys could find that PDF link below. It's super affordable. If I can make money online from social media by posting on Facebook in my living room with 3 kids running around, you definitely could do it too. So go ahead, check the PDF below, and let's get you guys monetized. So that's going to be it for this week's video. I'll catch you guys on next week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.